this reading, we will going to have love reading and message from your person. Let's see the energy first. Ayan. Okay, consider foolish. May competent dito. Fire. Okay, kung tinatanong kung magkakabalikan kayo, nandiyan naman ang hope. Andiyan ang hope, my loves, and I also hear na ito yung energy, my loves, na connection ninyong dalawa. Let's see kung magkakabalikan. Magkakabalikan naman. Meron namang yes, pero nakita ko yung devil card kanina. Confirmation spirits, magkakabalikan na. Maybe pa. Okay. So dito, my loves, merong good news na paparating. It's either magkakabalikan nga kayo or magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation. Pero dito kasi merong, sabihin natin maybe, papunta sa calmer waters. So papunta doon. And iyon is nakadepende pa sa energy ninyong dalawa. Okay, phone calls. Nakadepende yan, my loves, sa inyong, sabihin natin, determination, sa inyong energy. So dito, sa energy kasi dato, my loves, right now, dahil maybe nga ang sagot, I also hear na one of you ay gustong i-consider itong relationship na to, pero one of you ay sabihin natin parang sorry for my term, and sabihin natin pwedeng kahinaan na lang pag sinabing, kasi nandito yung foolishness kung babalik pa kayo sa isa't isa. One of you are sa connection na to nakakaramdam ng hesitation na bumalik. Pero nandito, my loves, yung hope, pero kagaya double confirmation, hesitant, and may struggle pa, my loves. One of you, sa ikaw or sa partner mo, ay nakakaramdam, pero sabihin natin double confirmation, oh, enthusiasm. Ang pagiging positibo nyo sa isang pananaw and sa connection na tong dalawa, ang pwedeng magdala sa inyo sa magandang reconciliation. Okay? So, kumbaga, dito more on positive energy. Kasi dito parang one of you is nagiging hopeless. Gustong sumuko na. Pero yung isa sa inyo is meron, nandun pa rin yung hope. I also hear na one of you then is may mga task, may mga challenges na kinakahanap right now, kaya hindi pa confirm kung kayo ay magkakaroon ng reconciliation. Pero nandito ang hope, my loves. Kaya maybe ang sagot. Kaya naging maybe ang sagot, my loves, because hopeful pa rin ang isa sa inyo. Nandun pa rin yung connection. Andun pa rin, my loves, yung emotional attachment sa inyong dalawa. Let's see more clarifiers. Oh, okay. So, nandito, meron nga dito unfulfillment, or sabihin natin merong abandonment. And sabihin, okay, my love, sa ngayon, ang energy is still indecision. With the Two of Pentacles, still in the decision, they are waiting up option. May lumitaw dito na option eh. Maaari, my loves, na yan is, andyan din yung multiple priorities, and also, sabihin natin, kagaya ng sinabi ko, diba, may mga challenges na kinakaharap right now. Pwedeng iyon ay personal issue, my loves. Pwedeng iyon din ang nagkukos sa inyo ng delays. Kung bakit hindi pa kayo nagre-reconcile right now. My loves, I hear that kailangan, meron dito kasing letting go. So, kung kayo ay in separation talaga, or in separated talaga, my loves, kailangan mag-move on ka muna sa connection na to. kinakailangan na mag-let go ka muna sa connection na to. Kasi dito, my loves, may abandonment dito eh. Pwede yung isa sa inyo is nagmo-move on na. They are starting to move on because of their personal challenges na kinakaharap right now. Pwede din, my loves, na gusto muna nilang kaharapin to. Kasi ayan oh, meron talagang kaagaw. Hindi man yung kaagaw na third party, my loves, meron pa rin, naninimbang pa rin yung person mo, pwede. Naninimbang pa rin siya kung babalik siya kasi meron pa siyang kailangang harapin. Okay, let's see messages from your person. Messages from your person. So, ayan, personal closure, nandun ang personal closure, pero I hear na itong competent na to and task na to is personal, hindi about dito sa relationship na to. Pwedeng iyan ay task sa family, sa friends, or pwedeng sa sarili niya, my loves, kasi nandito yung soul. So, kailangan with the world card, kasi unfulfilled pa siya dito eh. Sa part na to, unfulfilled siya. Kaya, yun yung nagkukos ng, sabihin natin, paninimbang niya, ng indecision niya, ng choices niya, kung kailangan pa ba niyang bumalik. So, this is message from them. Oh, di ba? I need time for me. I need time for me, my loves. Kailangan niya. Kaya nandito, unfulfilled from current situation. Meron talaga tong problem, yung person mo. I think we should slow down. Di ba, my loves? Nagdadalawang isip pa talaga yung person mo kung babalik siya. There is someone else. Oh, there is someone else. Meron bang involved? May involved yata dito, my loves. Pero dito, I sense dito, my loves, hindi siya yung third party, pero pwede din, let's see confirmation kung may third party dito. Pero ito is confirmation talaga, my loves, na kaya hindi siya makabalik-balik, kaya hindi siya, kung bumabalik man siya, hindi siya parang siyang hindi determinado kasi nga may kahati, kumbaga meron pa siyang mga tasks, meron pa siyang unfulfilled na issues sa kanyang sarili. That's why they need more time. And kung kayo kunyari kung halimbawa ang target nyo, goal nyo makabalikan, my loves, they want to slow down, or hindi naman kailangan madaliin ang pagbabalikan ninyo. Okay? Hindi kailangan madaliin kasi hindi pa siya ready. So, playfulness, oneness, enjoying. Okay, endings bring new beginning with, may change nga dito, may transition, my loves. Separation. Okay. So, this is confirmation talaga, my loves, na happiness over this connection ang kanyang priority. So, andun din yung growth, my loves. So, maaaring nga, gusto niya ng pagbabago sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang career, sa kanyang kinalalagyan right now. Pero sabihin natin, merong naman, kung may nag-e-end, merong new beginnings. They're still thinking about you, my loves. Eto, maybe talaga sagot, my loves. Unsure of the future. They are unsure. Hindi pa talaga malaman, ma-determine ng energy ng partner mo or ng person mo about the future, kung talaga kailan kayo magkakabalikan. There is someone else. So, I also hear confirmation because of this. Two of Pentacles. Meron din involved na iba dito. Kaya hindi niya masyadong, sabihin natin, kaya gusto niyang pag-isipang mabuti. And pwede, my loves, kumbaga dito, my loves, is gusto niya maramdaman sa isang relationship yung oneness, yung na-enjoy yung isa't isa. So, pwede din yan, my loves. Kaya if ever, pero dito, kung merong nag-end, I hear na meron ding mabubuo. Bringing new beginnings, my loves, with the coffin card and novel confirmation, you have to let this relationship go. Kasi, may unsure of the future eh. Hindi pa malaman, my loves. So, keep on your fire, enthusiasm, positivity. Kasi, my loves, I also hear one of you, pwedeng ikaw o yung person mo, ayaw ng toxic vibe. Kasi nandito yung happiness, nandito din yun sa fire, and lumitaw din yun sa card mo with the page of wands, na yung enthusiasm, yung pagiging enthusiastic or optimistic, my loves, yung full of energy, confirmation. Gusto niya ng happy relationship, you have to enjoy each other. Yun ang gusto niya, yun ang ideal relationship niya, my loves. Kung hindi niya yun nararamdaman sa relationship niyo, maaaring, my loves, na iyon ay nakita niya sa iba or gusto niyang makita. Kasi may involved dito na there is someone else. And double confirmation na endings because of the coffin and the separation card. Okay, let's see our final card. Let's pull our final card for this connection. Let go of control issues. Okay. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, my loves, kagaya ng sinabi natin dito, slow down. Huwag mong madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. Kung sabihin mong kailangan mo na bang mag-move on ka, live your life, okay? Maging enthusiastic ka, fun play. Sabihin natin full of energy. Huwag ka magpakakulong dito kasi andun pa, unsure of the future pa itong connection na to. So, wala kang dapat masyadong asahan, pero nandun yung pagiging positibo. Let go of control issues. Kung hindi pa kayang bumalik ngayong month or right now ng person mo, hayaan mo, my loves. Kasi they are still thinking eh. Huwag mong madaliin. Sinabi na niya, we should slow down. They need more time. Okay, and that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.